Positive action has had quite a bad reputation over the last few years, but that is often because it is executed so poorly. But when it's well thought through, well planned, well executed, positive action programs can make a huge difference in terms of levels of diversity. For example, a recent program that we ran with one of our clients resulted in 37% of underrepresented employees being promoted within the first year of the program running. For them, that was a huge increase from their usual promotion figures for underrepresented employees, which was typically in the low single figures. So simply assuming that underrepresented employees will get them by themselves fundamentally is not going to do it. A quick glance at any of the data collected from the last 4 or 5 decades will tell you that. Our research here at Perkin-Dohler into positive action programs has found that there are 10 key factors that will determine whether positive action is going to be a success within an organisation or not. Now, not all of these factors are necessarily things that organisations want to hear, but nonetheless, they have been found to make a real difference. The 10 factors can be split into 3 main areas: the structure of the positive action programme, the communication around it, and ultimately the rollout. So firstly, the structure, that relates to things such as how the positive action programme is designed and developed. And probably the biggest mistake that we see here is for people to fail to take into consideration the impact of the positive action initiative on majority employees. Fundamentally, if the programme is viewed suspiciously, or if it is seen as positive discrimination rather than positive action, both the programme and the participants on the programme are doomed to fail. That is an issue because it means that the programme gains no traction or credibility within the organisation and may in fact be damaging the organisation. Key structural elements also include who the programme is made available to, who can get on it, and how much of a stretch experience it will be. So the second key area is the way in which a positive action programme is communicated, and that has a big impact on how successful the programme will be. Key communication issues include things like emphasising the merit behind who is involved in the programme and who gets to participate. And actually, the truth of it is that positive action programmes should not be made available automatically to all underrepresented employees, regardless of their capability. Doing so undermines the credibility of the programme. The communication also needs to be very specific in its nature about what the programme is and is not designed to do. And critically, the communication about why the programme is being run to start with has to be right. Strategies that simply talk about the need to increase the numbers of more diverse employees at senior levels are likely to cause a significant backlash effect. A reluctance on the intended beneficiaries to even get involved in the programme to start with. Finally, the way that the programme is rolled out is also something that will affect its success. We have found that simply asking for volunteers to sign up, for example, is unlikely to give you the uptake that you need, especially if you are then going to go through a selection process based on merit to get onto the programme, which is absolutely in line with best practice. But fundamentally, planned, executed and communicated effectively, positive action programmes can genuinely have some phenomenal impacts. And the thing that I would really encourage people to be aware of is that what differentiates a good positive action programme from a poor one are those 3 areas that we've talked about, and critically making sure that it works so that it is a success from everyone's point of view. So if you're interested in finding out more about how to get positive action programmes right, drop me an email using the link below or give us a call.
Nice. Should we do one more?
Let's do it.